Hi Triangle, Ashley here, owner of Wallaby Windows. And since it's spring and everybody's cleaning their windows, I wanted to address the number one concern we get from customers who think they broke their window or that something's wrong with their double hung or single hung windows after they've taken out the sashes to clean them. So what typically happens is they go put their sashes back in and they notice that the locks aren't working. And they say, when I open my window, it slides back shut again. Something is definitely wrong here, and they want us to send a technician out. I'm going to show you the most common reason that this happens. So in order to troubleshoot it, we're going to open our top and bottom sash. Again, this is a double hung window, so the sash at the top opens as well. If you have a single hung window, that doesn't operate. So we want to come back in, and you can already tell that we know what the problem is, and it is that the locking mechanism on the side, the boot, was not engaged properly into here. So you can see down in this corner, this boot ended up getting shoved down when we tried to close the bottom sash, and now it's preventing the window from closing. So a flathead screwdriver or some other fairly harmless flat metal device is going to work best, and you want to get some leverage underneath the boot and slowly work it back up. You don't want to scratch or dent the vinyl. You want to just slowly work it back up again. And ideally, you're going to get it back up a couple of inches where it should be, so that the locking mechanism can engage again. All right, so now I'm going to pay extra careful attention, make sure that this mechanism goes in on both sides and that I can tell that it's engaged. So that time we heard that nice click. Now when I close both sashes, the lock works nice and clean. So let us know if that's not the problem, and if there is another issue, we'll try to troubleshoot that with you as well. But hopefully that handy little tip helps save you a lot of time while you're cleaning your windows this spring. Happy cleaning, and let us know if you need anything.